Good morning. Today we will discuss the exercise 5.2 of lines and angles. So the last exercise it is. So in that the first question, state the property that is used in each of the following statement. So these problems are based on last class what we have thought about a transversal parallel lines. When general lines are cutted by a transversal, the different types of angles formed. Okay, depending on that, we have to solve these problems, children. Now, here, if A is parallel to B, then angle 1 is equal to angle 5. You have to say on which property this will be true. Okay. So, parallel lines, what are 1 and 5? You just check it out. So, two lines are there. 1 is here and 5 is here. What type of angles? They are corresponding angles. Okay. So, whenever we are having a parallel lines, we know that the corresponding angles are equal. On that property, we can say that. Next, if 4 is equal to 6, see, again I am taking this line only. 4 is this and 6 is this. One more diagram I used to draw. See, this is a line, 4 is this and 6 is this. What type of angles they are? Z shape. Alternate angles. Z shape if you get, they are alternate angles. So, alternate angles equal means that the lines will be parallel only. Because it is the condition for a parallel lines. Next. If 4 plus 5 is equal to 180, then A is parallel to B. A line is parallel to B. Where is 4 and 5? Just check it out. They are just interior angles on the same, if it is a transversal, on the same side of a transversal. So, some of the interior angles on the same transversal are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. Even that is satisfied. Got it out? Okay. Next, we'll move to the second problem. In the adjoining figure, P is parallel to Q. Find the unknown angles they are given. Okay. Just they have given A, B, C, D, E, F and one angle 125. I am naming them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now just check it out. Already they have given P is parallel to Q and it is a transversal line. We know that here you can observe angle 1 and 2. They will be linear pair and linear pair is always equal to 180 degrees. So this angle, E angle is 1. Substitute 2 angle is 125. So E will be 180 minus 125. That is 55 because 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 2, 5. Next, 2 will be equal to 4 because vertically opposite angle into side and these will be vertically opposite angle. Therefore, angle 4 will be 125 degree only. We got this angle also. Now, 1 will be equal to 3. Even they are corresponding angles. Okay. 1 and 3 are vertically opposite angles. What are 1 and 3? Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, E is equal to F. E is what? 55. Therefore, F will be 55 only. Next, 2 is equal to 6. Here is 2 and here is 6. What type of angles? Corresponding angles. 2 is equal to 6. 2 we are knowing 125. 6 is what? D. Therefore, D is equal to 125. Again, angle 1 is equal to 5 here. Corresponding angles only. Okay, that is E is equal to A. So, E we got here 55. Therefore, A will be 55 only. We got this angle also. A we got, D we got, C and B are required. A will be equal to C, vertically opposite. So C is also 55. D will be equal to B, vertically opposite. D is 125. So even B is 125. In this way, we will be getting all the angles. Okay, this is the way of finding angles when one angle is given in the condition of parallel lines cutted by a transversal. Next, we'll move to the next problem. Find the value of x in the figure if L is parallel to M. L and M are the parallel lines. We had to find the x value. Very simple. These are parallel lines. It is a transversal. Then what type of angles they are? Corresponding angles. Therefore, x will be 100 only. Easily we can find out that thing. Okay. Next, we will move to the one more problem. So, in the given below figures, decide whether L is parallel to M by applying a condition of parallel. What are that? Corresponding angles should be equal, alternate angles should be equal, the sum of interior angles on the same side of a transversal should be supplementary. By keeping those conditions, we have to prove. Here, sum of the interior angles on the same side of a transversal is given. You should add it. If you get it as a 180, then these lines are parallel. If you are not getting it as a 180, then they are not parallel. Let us add 126 plus 44, 6 plus 4, 10, 1 carry, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7, 1. 170 we are getting. So, it is not a supplementary angles. So, L is not parallel to M. Now, we will move to this problem. Just observe what type of angles they have given. It is not alternate angle, not a corresponding angle. Just find out this angle now. What you are getting, just check it out. This and this will be linear pair. So write down that angle. So what the angle you are getting here means 180 minus 72, which is 108 you are getting. For this, corresponding angle is this, but it is not 108, it is 98. So, these lines are, corresponding angles are not equal, so these lines are not a parallel lines. Okay children, this completes the exercise. Thank you.